Hey guys, good morning. It's Harry Swaminathan coming to you on the LinkedIn trade. LinkedIn just busted open in the morning. It shot up well beyond the 135 short call. In fact, went up to it opened at about 142 or something like that. So, if you recall, I had a 20 contract iron condor. So what I did at the open itself was, you got to look at this one here. I bought 10 contracts of my 135 call. Okay, so this was obviously a loss, and I paid $8.20 for that. So I took a loss on that. So what ended up happening, effectively, the position then became 10 short and 20 long on the 140. Okay, so LinkedIn opened at around 142, and then it went up to about 148 within the first 15-20 minutes. So because I had 20 contracts on the 140, the 140 started accumulating profits much faster. So you can see that the 140 actually made a profit of almost 18,000, and my 135 lost 19,000. And then, of course, on the put side, we made almost $2,000. So believe it or not, I ended up with a profit of $300 on this trade, even though it blew through a bear call big time. So this is one kind of adjustment you can learn. Is to, okay, your shorts, if the momentum is really up, you close down some of your shorts. I didn't want to close down all of my shorts. Obviously, if I closed down all of my shorts, I would have made a much higher profit. But that's not the point, because it might turn back any time, and so you do want to let some of your short calls also improve its position. So basically, there were only two trades on LinkedIn this morning. The first one was at 9:32. I bought 10 contracts of my losing 135 call at $8.20. So obviously I paid a lot for it. I lost almost $4 or even $5 on that. But then at 9:52, when LinkedIn was at 148, I closed out this back spread. So this became a back spread at that point. So the back spread was making a lot of money, and so I ended up with a profit. Now, it is a complex adjustment. I'm glad not many people took it, but one of our subscribers did take this trade. Luckily, he didn't put the 135 short. He was a little bit safer and put the 140 short. However, I think even he ended up with a loss. Anyway, so this was a very good experience. I don't think we should be doing this again, like I said in my email. And Ilad, I apologize for the loss, but we'll see that this doesn't happen again. So that's it for the LinkedIn trade. Managed to eke out a small profit, believe it or not, even though it blew through $10 through our bear call. But this is an adjustment you can always do, even for if you have a bear call or a bull put. You can close down half of your shorts, and that way you'll be turning it into a back spread. So because you have more of the longs, you're going to be and if the stock continues to move in that direction, the longs are going to be making much more profit than the short. All right, guys, that's it for the LinkedIn. The Apple trade is doing well. I do have that 510 call short, but that's okay. We'll see how that goes. I have a total profit of 2,700 on that. And then the Netflix trade is also doing well. It's sitting right in between, so I might just let it expire. So that's it for today. We won't do this weekly stuff again. I think we've learned our lesson, and we've got to be more consistent with our trades and our and our returns. So that's what I intend to do with this service. All right, talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.